once again I'm welcoming you all on my YouTube channel Miss Jeeva Deep. And during this season now we have to take care of a lot of, but there is one more thing that we sometimes forgot to talk about it. That is our skin. Yeah, absolutely. So this video is all about the skincare, which I think that is going to be very important for you and very informative as well. Skin plays a very vital role in making your makeup look flawless and absolutely stunning. But how does it happen? If we don't care about our skin, then it will become dry and flaky and will not able to give you the bestest results ever. So I've decided, why not I shoot a video for you. This is going to be the self-pampering video, as the title completely defines it. I'm going to do a cleanup at home in my comfort zone. Like literally we are at home and we are doing cleanup. We didn't have to go anywhere for that. And also no need to spend money as well. So I think that without making this intro so long, and before jump into the video, I want to recall you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Do share your comments related to this video in the comment section below. So now wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with today's video. So quickly starting up with first step, that is steaming. The main reason of doing this is to open your pores so that when you move further towards the product, तब आपकी skin बहुत अच्छे से अंदर तक clean हो जाए. While doing this, my skin was feeling so light and smooth. हाँ, डेफिनेटली इसको करते टाइम मुझे थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम ज़रूर हो रही थी बिकॉज हीट लगती है. डेफिनेटली यू फील लाइक कि अब फेस को हटा लें, लेकिन ऑनेस्टली इट्स रियली एंजॉयिंग. इन फैक्ट यू गाइस कैन सी कि कितना मज़ा आ रहा है. Back side of the box, so that I can get a brief of it. Now second step, which is cleanser. It's just to clean your skin. Like it works on the epidermal layer of your skin. I'm taking the cleanser on my fingers and applying it on my face and massage it well with none other than my fingers only. But remember, not only your face but also cover your neck area. That is equally important. Then massaging it well in upwards direction. You guys can see the glow on my face. It's clearly visible. And then clean it well with a damp cloth, or you can take or scrub. Scrub is a method by which you can clean the skin along with the deep pores of the skin. That's why we have done steaming before doing anything else, so that हमारी skin जो है वो अच्छे से अंदर तक clean हो जाए. Now massaging it well, and again don't forget to cover your neck area also. मैं बार बार mention कर रही हूँ so that आप ना भूल जाएं. Rub it well, especially on nose area, because that is a place where we have a lot of blackheads or whiteheads. Now remove it with a damp cloth. Given inside the box, so I'm taking it on my fingers and applying it well all over my face. And with this, you only have to give a simple massage to your face. बूस्ट मिला, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनर्जाइज फील कर रही थी मेरी स्किन. ओ माय गॉड, दिस किट वाज अमेजिंग.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Personal experience regarding this whole video. Literally my skin was feeling pumped and fresh and energized also. Product that I have used for this video, that is mentioned in the description box. And okay, जाने से पहले I want to say it again that please guys do follow me on Instagram. Its handle is given on the screen and link is in the bio. So this is all about it. Meet you soon in the next video. Bye.